In this video, we are going to understand how to find out nth term of AP, how to find out sum of any n terms of the AP. Hello my awesome students, welcome to Akshar Vidyalaya. I am Nana and I make videos related to NCERT solutions for classes 9 to 12th. Let's start our today's very first question number 3 of chapter number 5 of class 10. The question says that in an AP, given that A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3, AN is equal to 50, and we have to find out the value of N and SN. So this question also have a number of parts, and in those all the parts you have to find out these 3-4 things: A, N, D and SN. We are going to solve only one part in this video, and you can solve the remaining parts by yourself. Okay, so we have to find out N. So N is what, and how can I find out? I have told you that if you have to find out the value of the N, then you have to use this formula: AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So AN is what? AN is 50 is equal to A is what? A is my 5 plus N minus 1 into D. D is given to you, it is equal to 3. So what you will do, 5 is being added here. When it will go to the left hand side, it will be subtracted, means 50 minus 5 will become 45 is equal to N minus 1 into 3. So this 3 is being multiplied here, so when it will go to the left hand side, then it will become equal to 15 is equal to N minus 1. So when this 1 is being added here, so it will become 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. So the value of N is what? Value of N is 16. I have to find out S, and SN means S16, which is equal to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So N is what? N is my 16. 2A, A is what? A is my 5 plus N is 16 minus 1 into D is what? D is my 3. Right. So simply I am just putting the values what are given. So it will get cancelled out. It will become 8. 2 5s the 10 plus 16 minus 1 will be 15 into 3. Okay. So it will become 8 into 10 plus 45, which is equal to 8 into 55. 10 plus 45 will become equal to 55. So my answer after doing multiplication will be equal to 450. So in the similar manner, you have to find out the values in the remaining parts of this question number 3. Suppose now you have to find out the value of A. So how you will find out the value of A? Again you will use the formula for A12 is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, and N will be equal to 12. So putting all the values, you will find out your value of A, and similarly you can use this formula to find out the sum. Okay, now the question says that how many terms of the AP, how many, again how many. So what I have to find out? I have to find out the value of N of this AP must be taken to give a sum of 636. You can see very clearly that what I have to find out, I have to find out the value of N, and SN is equal to 636. So what is next? A is equal to 9. D is equal to what? D is equal to 17 minus 9, which is equal to 8. Right. So SN is what? SN is given by N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay, and I have to find out N by 2 into 2A. A is my 9 plus N minus 1 into D. D is my 8. So SN is what? SN is my 636. Okay, so now you can see very clearly that you can take out this 2 common outside so that your calculation becomes easier. So if we have taken 2 outside common, then inside the bracket it will be 9 plus n minus 1 into, because I have taken 2 outside as common, so what will be here? Here it will be 4. 2 4s the 8, right? So 2 and 2 will get cancelled out, so my answer will be 636 is equal to n into 9 plus, this will be 4n and minus 4. So then 636 will be equal to n into 9 minus 4 will be equal to what? It will be equal to 5 plus 4n. So this means 636 is equal to 5n plus 4n square. Okay, so it will become 4n square plus 5n. This 636 will go to the right hand side and it will become negative. So this will be my answer. 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. So after solving this quadratic equation, your n will be equal to minus 53 by 4 or n will be equal to 12. But you know that the numbers of terms in the AP start from the positive part first, second, third and so on. So minus 53 by 4 cannot be a value. So my answer will be equal to n is equal to 12. Okay. So moving to question number 5. Question number 5 says that the first term of the AP is 5 and the last term of the AP is A is 5 and the last term of the AP is 45 and the sum is 400. Sum of all the terms is 400. So we have to find out the number of the terms and the common difference. Number of the terms and I have to find out the common difference. We know the formula for the last term of the AP is given to us, then SL is equal to A plus AL, right? So SL is what? SL is my 400. Number of terms I do not know. A is given to us, the first term is 5 and AL is what? AL is my last term, so this is also equal to given to us, which is equal to 45. Okay, so now this 2 will go here and it will be multiplied, so it will become 800 is equal to n into 5 into 5 plus 45 will be equal to 50. 0 and 0 will get cancelled out, so my n will be equal to 60. Okay, n is there, right? So now I can find out the value of d also, because now I can use this formula that A16 is equal to A plus 15d, means total number of terms in this AP are equal to 16. And then so AL will be also, suppose there are 1 2 3 and up to 16 terms, so this is my last term, so this A16 is A plus 15d. So I can write down the value of A16 here because this is now my last term. So A16 will be what? 45 and A will be what? A will be my 5 plus 15 into d. Okay, so this 5 will go to the right hand side and it will become 45 minus 5 will be equal to 40 is equal to 15 into d. Okay, so this 15 is being multiplied here, so when it will go to the left hand side it will be divided. 5 3 is the 15, 5 8 is the 40, so my common difference will be equal to 8 by 3. So these are the two things which I have to find out. N is equal to 16 and D is equal to 8 by 3. Now moving to question number 6. Question number 6 says that the first and the last term of an AP are A17. First term is what? 17 and the last term of the AP is what? AL is given by 350. Okay, so they are saying that if the common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? We have to find out the value of n and we have to find out the value of Sn. So the same question again, AL is what? So AL or AN, because this time last term is given to us, I can use the same formula for the AL also, means AL is also last term is also the nth term, means any general term. So I can use the formula of AN, which is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So an is given to me equal to 350. A is what? A is my 17 plus n minus 1 into D is what? D is my 9. So this 17 will go to this side and it will be subtracted 340. So it will become equal to what? 330. 3 is equal to n minus 1 into 9. This 9 is being multiplied here, so it will go to the left hand side and it will be divided, which is equal to n minus 1. So my answer will be equal to 37 is equal to n minus 1. So this one is being subtracted here when it will go to the left hand side, so it will become 38 is equal to n. So n is what? N is my 38. So now I have to find out the value of Sn. Sn means Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S38 will be equal to 38 by 2 into 2a. A is my 17 plus n is my 38, and 38 minus 1 will become equal to 37, and d is what? D is my 9. So it will be 19 into 34. 2 into 17 will become 34, and 37 into 9 will become 333. So now you have to do what? You have to add these two values and you will get 367, and the answer will be 6973. Moving to question number 7, which says that find the sum of first 22 terms, means n is equal to 22 of an AP. I have to find out the sum of these terms. The common difference is my 7, and 22nd term is 149, means A22 is equal to 149. So put the values. A22 is 149 is equal to A plus 21 into D is what? D is my 7. So now if I am going to solve all of this value, so I will get my answer as A is equal to 2. Okay, so now Sn is what? So we have to find out the value of the sum. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n is my 22 is equal to 22 by 2 into 2a. A is what? A is my 2 plus 22 minus 1 into d is what? D is my 7. So it will become 11. S22 is equal to 11 into 4 plus 21 into 7. So 11 into 4 plus, it will become equal to 147. It will be 11 into 151. So my answer will be equal to, so my sum will be equal to what? 61. Okay. Moving to question number 8, which says that find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP. Means n is given to us equal to 51, whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. Second term is 14 and the third term is what? Third term is my 18. I have to find out the value of the S51. So A2 will be equal to what? A2 will be equal to A plus D is equal to 14, and A3 is what? A3 is my A plus 2D is equal to 18. So this and this will get minus and get cancelled out. A and A will get cancelled out. It will become minus D is equal to minus 4. So D will be equal to 4. Right, now I am having all the values to put in my formula, which is equal to S51 is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n is my 51. 51 by 2 into 2a. A I have to find out. A we do not know. So A, how can I find out? I can put the value of d in this equation. So my answer will be equal to, this 4 will go to the right hand side, and 14 minus 4 will be equal to 10. So A is what? A is my 10 plus n is what? N is my 51 minus 1. So it will be 50 multiplied by d. D is what? D is my 4. So 51 by 2 into 10 will be 20. 50 into 4 will be
220. So after doing addition, what I will get, this will be 200, it will become 220. So 2 and this will get cancelled out, it will become 110 will be equal to 5610 will be the sum of the first 51 terms of the AP. Okay, 51 terms of the AP.
If you find my video useful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get more updates of my new videos. So let's meet in the next video, in which we are going to solve remaining questions of exercise 5.3. Till then, take care and bye.